So we've moved over to talk with Jeff from Laerdal about SimView, also another product that's being released here at IMSH 2012. Jeff, can you tell us a little bit about SimView and what it is?
Yeah, we're really excited about our new SimView system. It gives us a lot more capability than our previous system in that it works with IP addressable cameras. It's all digital, they're high definition, and we can access cameras from anywhere on the net that's on the network that we're attached to. So we could theoretically do a simulation in a lab from 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning in one room, and then switch away from those cameras and go to two more cameras in a building across campus that's on the same network, pull up those cameras and capture the audio and video. We can control the cameras simply from a mouse.
Let me ask you real quick right there. Is Laerdal providing hardware solutions in terms of the audio-video components, or is it mostly a software solution?
It's actually all of it. When you purchase the SimView system, you get the computer, which actually acts as your server, with the software on it. You can purchase it with or without cameras. So we offer the full solution, or people can purchase their cameras on their own.
So I'm finding that really fascinating that this is an HD solution. That's something that's really unique. I haven't really heard about elsewhere out there right now in the market. Can you tell me a little bit about what's going on with the screen over here in this HD application?
Yes, and I'm going to tell you one thing about what we previously talked about. This will work with USB cameras as well, so you start talking about portability, okay, as well as digital and analog.
So not required to be HD, but it does support it.
That's exactly right. So what we've got here is we've got two different camera views. These are actually both set up with pan, tilt, zoom cameras, and we can simply, by clicking on either one of these views, pull up a little wheel down here in the corner that gives us this screen. And what you see right now, if I go to the plus, it allows me to zoom in. If I go to the minus, I zoom out. Or on any four of the directional arrows, I can control the camera by just simply moving the mouse around. And what additionally makes this really nice is part of the whole SimCenter portfolio that SimView is just part of. We have SimStore and SimManager. We will eventually be able to, we can send the patient log, which is part of the simulation right now, to SimManager, and anyone that has access to SimManager, all they need is a web browser. They can go in and look at the patient logs.
So this is a part of Laerdal's attempt to try to build software solutions for a complete management of a simulation program.
Absolutely. This is part of a full simulation lab management portfolio called SimCenter, and SimView is the audio-video capture portion, and it ties in beautifully with SimManager.
And so is this a web-based solution, meaning that if I was hooked up to the internet, my own internal server, I could just log on to a specific web address and pull up access to these cameras for debriefing?
The system itself is not actually web-based. We actually have to have the individual server here. You can't go straight to the internet to log on. But it becomes more web-based when you start utilizing SimManager, which is 100% web-based. So.
And again, this is available now to the market?
It is available now. We will begin shipping soon. We're taking orders right now.
And one last question. If I were to purchase a SimView and I had maybe mannequins from another brand, maybe not necessarily the log files, but I would still be able to incorporate, it's a kind of standalone system, so it does not necessarily, while it could come with the 3G, it's not required to kind of operate.
That's absolutely right. That's one of the big differences with our previous system. You really had to be connected to one of our simulator instructor applications, had to be running to utilize it. You can actually do customized logs on this, and we recommend the SimView be used for any type of learning activity. You don't have to have a simulator involved. If you wanted to use task trainers, if you wanted to use standardized patients, if you had other pieces of equipment you wanted to be able to capture and debrief on, SimView will work fantastic with all of those.
Great. Thank you so much for talking with us, Jeff.